I need to finish my homework. Look at my drawing.
Dinner is almost ready.
The road is slippery tonight. Slippery tonight.
The storm became stronger.
Subtitle: The storm became stronger.
I must drive carefully.
Oh no! Stop! Stop!
The car slipped on the rain. My arm hurts. Help arrived quickly.
Are you okay?
We're okay, but the driver's injured.
Hello?
What happened?
Mom, what's wrong? I'm worried about Dad.
He's gonna be okay.
Is Dad okay?
Dad had a small accident. He's gonna be okay. We just need to stay with him.
We need to go now!
The family hurried to the hospital.
Hurry, everyone, get in!
Let's go, kids, quick!
Mom, Dad, I'm scared!
It's okay, we're almost there.
Stay calm, everyone.
1. I hope Dad is safe. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Soon they arrived at the hospital.
This way.
Where is Dad? Please follow me.
Where are you taking us?
To see him.
Thank you, Doctor.
Dad.
Hi, everyone.
We were worried.
I'm okay now.
I'm happy you're safe.
Thank goodness.
He only has small injuries. He's gonna be just fine. The test results are excellent. He's making a full recovery.
That's good news.
The road was very slippery.
Oh, honey. Is he okay?
A car stopped suddenly.
My seatbelt protected me.
Seatbelts are important.
Your arm is healing well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You need rest.
Let's go home.
I can help.
I appreciate that, son.
Be careful, Dad.
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey.
Everyone felt relieved.
Home feels nice.
Here is your pillow.
Thanks, Emma. Here is some water.
You need to rest.
The family stayed together.
That accident was scary.
Everything is okay now.
Let's eat together.
Here is your medicine.
The storm slowly passed.
I learned something important.
I feel much better.
This is for you, Dad. Dad will love this.
Thank you, kids.
Yes.
Dad slowly recovered.
You are healing well. Thank you, doctor. That's great news. My arm feels stronger.
Everything feels normal again.
Yes, it truly does.
I will always drive safely.
Seatbelts save lives.
I feel safe now. I feel safe now. Giftiga!
Safety comes first.
Together we did it, didn't we?
Yes, we did, and look at them. Look, a bunny.
We're a family.